do a canoe skid plate kit from KeelEazy. Heat gun, scissors, squeegee, glove, canoe skid plate kit. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm cleaning several inches to the side of the apex here of this canoe. Once I've rounded the corner, you see bubbles start to apply, these folds, and I just try and make them smaller. Heat them up, make them a little smaller, until I have small little flaps. And I can take each one, pushing down from the apex, and flatten it out once I got a little heat on it. This should sit 1 inch approximately over it, over the length. It's a little bit of patience, but just keep making the big flaps and the smaller ones, big wrinkles and the smaller wrinkles, just like we did on the first piece.